Look at all my junk. Am I alive? Yes, I am. I'm alive, guys. Right. I'm going to wait for a few people to come on board. Right. I did say a while ago that I actually bought a load of tapes, reel-to-reel tapes. You know, before cassettes came out, before they were invented by Philips, the record producers used to produce records, obviously, and they also produced reel-to-reel tapes. Now here's one here. I picked out one at random. I've already threaded it up because I couldn't. I've got to hold the iPad, and there's no way I can actually thread one up. You know, I've just grabbed one at random from the box, and it happens to be this one. There we go. So look, that's an old one there. Right, these are from the early '60s. What's that? What's that say? Mademoiselle Angèle Lecoq, birthday offering Glazunov. What the hell? And look at that. That leaflet has probably been in there. Oh, Royal Philharmonic Orchestra, conducted by Robert Irvin. Well, you know what? That's probably been in there since the early '60s. I doubt if this tape's been played probably once in its life, I reckon. So that's what I'm going to play now. I've already threaded it up. I haven't played it yet, so you know this is going to be a surprise to me. It could shred, it could snap, who knows. These are over what 50 years old? Crikey, hang on. Yeah, I'm just working at my age. My age is yeah. I'm not going to show myself in a moment because I'm topless. I was busy trying to find some empty boxes because tomorrow I'm going to pick up 137 78 records about 6 miles up the road in a place called Blackheath, quite a nice posh area, and I'm getting them so cheap, it's unbelievable. And I was just trying to find some boxes to pack them up in, so I do not want to smash them up. I really should go to my mother's and pick up the BMW because it's got a fantastic boot on the 5 Series, but I'm using my little convertible out there, my little Rover, so I need to pack things up well. Anyway, back to the machine. Da, 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 da. Here we have the Sony TC, where's the thing? TC 106, which I restored about some time ago. A while ago. Let's see. I've got to stand so far away to get it all in the shot. Bloody iPads. Don't like iPads. Anyway, it's speed set for 3 3/4, which is the standard sort of speed. Hi Diamond. Hey, nice to see you. Yeah, I'm just doing that demonstration. You know the one with the old tapes I found. Well, I bought, in the charity shop. All the money goes to charity, and I've literally picked one up at random out of the box and I threaded it on because I can't do it. I've got 2 hands on the iPad. I don't want to drop the iPad. It cost me a bloody fortune. It's an iPad Air I'm using, by the way, the lightweight one. Lightweight, that's a joke. Anyway, I found this one. I picked this one out at random. Okay, yeah, me too. It's the first time. I haven't played it at all. So that's what came out the box. I just shoved my hand in the box and picked it out at random. And that's what it is. So this is from the early '60s, before cassettes were even invented. Right, it's loaded up on the machine. I've got 3 3/4 selected, which is the standard speed you normally find on all these tapes. And they're all 4-track. There were a few made 2-track stereo, but not many. But this is a 4-track machine, so this is ideal. So here we go. I've got to go all the way back. Get it in the frame. Right, here we go. Where's that play? Okay, so let's go. Oh, now is that play? Yeah, that's play. Right, you ready for this? It might shred, it might break. Who knows what might happen? I really don't know. They're nearly 60 years old, something like that? I don't know. Here we go. Oh, please play, please play. Come on, baby, you can do it. Right, it's gone past the leader. That's good. It hasn't snapped yet. I know how to splice them together anyway, so if it did, like we call it, if it came off the leader, I know how to fix them. I just hope somebody hasn't erased these, because they can be erased and used again. I just hope they left the original music on and didn't do something stupid like, oh. I can hear it. It sounds a bit warbly though. Let's turn it up. Oh my god. Wow, it sounds old. Whoop. Lot of wow and flutter. You can hear it. Well, it actually plays. You hear that warbling, like it doesn't do that when I record from like a new recording. But remember, these are 60 years older, you know. I'll let you listen to it for a minute. I'll shut up. I know, not bad, eh? Oh, nearly 60 years old. Holy Christ. I hope I don't get a copyright thingy bob from YouTube again. I'm 60 years old, I better do it. See, with these old tapes, let me tell you something, right? What you're supposed to do, so maybe not, no, you know what? When you get these tapes, you're supposed to fast forward them to the end and just rewind them back every now and again, because what happens, because you've got magnetic signals on it, you can get something called print through. The signal gets transferred to the other part of the tape, but luckily this is alright. I can't believe it. There's no echo, no. Wowee. Yeah. Hope it sounds alright at your end. Don't sound too bad here. Look at that. No shredding, the tape's alright. Look at that. Normally you get little bits of brown stuff falling off the oxide. Perfect. Can't believe that. Oh, I'm real pleased. If all the other ones are like this one, it should be in our box at theatre. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it should be hello, good evening and welcome to the Royal Albert Hall, and tonight we have Mademoiselle Angers playing from 1832 to 1918. Oh dear. Look at that, can't believe it. It's starting to sound better, it was a bit wobbly at first. But the machine's alright, it's just the tape, it's just so old. You know. Look at the crap behind there. The workshop. It's not bad, isn't it? It's not bad. The beginning sounded a bit warbly. That's just the tape, but it's sounding better now. It's starting to sound a bit more. Ha! Wow. I'll tell you what. I really love this machine there. This is one of my favourite machines I've got. I just love this little machine. And I had this machine for over 20 years, you know. I think it was 15, maybe 15 years, no. And just stuck upstairs and it was unrepaired, you know, unrestored, it wasn't working at all. And I thought, right, it's time to get things done. Look at that. So pleased I did. Only mono, but sounds great. Yeah. If you're going to do a job, you might as well do it well, eh? What's the point? Otherwise, don't bother doing it at all. That's my motto. Oh, look at that. Breathe new life into this poor thing. Would have been chucked away. Oh my god, what a waste. I hate seeing things, you know, you can fix and, you know, people just throw things away. Such a waste. It really is. Ending up in landfill. Can you imagine? Jesus. Oh well, there we go. Look at that. It's lovely. The tape's perfect condition. I just don't believe it. Can't get over it. I know, it's sad, isn't it? This is quite good tape, actually. Nice, easy listening, relaxing. Counter's working. Let's check it. Tape counter. Yeah. The jewel in the dirt path. Really? Yeah. Oh, this, yeah. That's what I mean. It probably doesn't sound as good at your end, but if you was on this end here, it sounds fantastic. It's really clear and beautiful. But you know, I don't know what these iPads are like. But it sounds great. I'm well impressed. I wonder if I should go forward. I'm trying to in case it snaps, but I don't know. Should I risk it? No, I'm going to let it wind to the end. That's the best way. Really? Sounds right at your end, eh? That's good. Please. You see that amplifier in the background? That valve one, that was given to me by my dad. I wanted a record player, so I had to go to a charity shop and buy an old turntable from the 50s. I made a box for it, and I made a box for that as well. Something's gone, that's gone. The capacitor, filter cap. I'm going to fix that. I've got one ready down there somewhere. A brand new one for it. So I'm going to fix that up again and get it working again. Yeah, why not? Get it all fixed again. That's the next project. Oh, this is good, this. I quite like this music, actually. Yeah, so I fixed up the old valve amp as well. It's a tribute to my dad, because he passed away about 8 years ago from lung cancer. So I'm going to fix it and get it all working again. What the hell. I also fixed this a little Sanyo cassette recorder. It wasn't working. I used to love this little small Sanyo cassette machine. Let me demonstrate that a minute. Hang on. Right. Oh, there we go. I do want to stop it really. Start it again. Yeah, because it winds more evenly. When you start fast forwarding, rewinding, the wind becomes uneven, you know. And then the tape scrapes on top of the plastic, and then it erodes the tape, you know. So I didn't want to do that really, but it doesn't matter. Ah, where's that cassette machine? I'll do that afterwards. I've got a little cassette player. It wasn't working, wasn't recording, wasn't playing. I fixed that yesterday, I think it was. Right, I'm going to let that play to the end, and Oh, by the way, this machine is all transistorized. It's not valves, you know. Really enjoying the music. Oh, yeah, you can try using the Shazam. If you've got Shazam on your phone, put it near this, and I'll shut up a minute and see if you can pick it up. I'll keep quiet a minute. And I've got the name here. What a twit. Here we are. Okay, great. Okay, brilliant. Oh. Right, I'm going to terminate the transmission for a minute. I might come on again later. I think my friend Dave is on. Dave the fisherman, I think he's on at the moment. I'm going to check out, see what he's put up there. Let's check him out. There we go. I'll let that play to the end. Not much to go, really. And then, of course, these tapes, you turn them over as well, remember, to play the other side. No, that's no problem, Diamond. My pleasure. And whoever else is watching on the side, they're not coming on, but, you know, I'm sure there's other people watching. So, that's what it is now. It's a little demonstration of this few old tapes I found in a charity shop. Cancer, I think it's cancer charity. I've just put it onto my machine for people who don't know, which I restored a while ago, and I'm just playing it. It's 60 years old nearly. Right, with that I shall leave you now and I shall bid you farewell. I'll talk to you later all, yeah? See you, Diamond. Yep, I'll talk to you later. Okay. Yeah, bye, Diamond. Alright, thanks.